What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Quick little video talking about AMC and why I think it sold off into the market close on a day where there was a lot of anticipation of a short squeeze, a gamma squeeze, a new high, close above 60. What went wrong? Let's talk about it really quick, guys. Take a step back and look at the overall index. The Dow Jones had its worst week since October of last year. Value stocks are getting smoked. Tech stocks are sailing off like crazy. The VIX, the fear gauge, is shooting up. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of uncertainty right now in the overall index. But I think AMC is a different beast. Quote unquote, these meme stocks, I think, trade differently in accordance to the overall market. However, why did we sell off here into the market close? I think the biggest chance there was a drop here into the close was due to the fact that these market makers were dumping some of the shares they had bought to hedge the calls above 60. As soon as this stock started coming out, as soon as these $60 options started coming out of the money, some of these market makers might have started dumping. Hence why we saw a drop to 56. The selling pressure was pretty intense, guys. I was watching this minute candle by candle, watching it on the TNS, times of sales. There was a lot of pressure on there. However, we did manage to bounce back to 59.26. Not necessarily above 60, the 60 close we wanted, but at the week starting at $50, closing at 59, having an amazing strong uptrend on the 1 hour, still above SMA, looking very bullish technical wise, volume wise. I think this stock held up better than any other stock out there in the market. The attention, the volume is still in on this stock, guys. Keep in mind, whenever these, I know there's still like around 411,000 contracts that expired in the money. By the way, Bitcoin is still tanking. Everything's literally selling off right now, and AMC held very well. However, keep in mind, every time you buy a call option, there's a seller, usually the market maker. $60 strike, they have to deliver you those shares if you exercise them at $60. If they buy at 61, 62, 65, they're losing money delivering you the stock at that price. So they start hedging. That is known as delta hedging. They start buying some of that stock, and usually coupled in with some FOMO, some of those people that are chasing the stock, that's how you see these gamma squeezes. It starts going to 70, 100. That's how you saw GameStop happen. You have a lot of open interest on these calls. However, I know there's a lot of speculation about this is the week that's going to happen. If it doesn't happen, it's not going to happen anymore. I think that's complete BS. The attention is still on the stock, guys. And a couple of videos back, we said the stock is going to be trading. It's going to be relevant for the next coming months to who knows how long. This is a long game now. Like, this stock has been in place since like December and January. It's already June, and this stock is trading at 59. Like, I'm thinking bigger picture here. I'm thinking longer term. Above 50, I think, is still a big dub. Anything under that, we're playing catch the support. Around 50, if it cracks under 50, we're playing catch yourself. And it has caught itself pretty well at 42. That's another support level there. But best case scenario, this stock pushes above 70, rips to 100, squeezes. Okay, that happens. Second best case scenario is this stock holds 50, trades sideways for some time, and the stronger or the longer it trades sideways, the stronger the rip up is going to be. This is exactly what happened down here when we were at 10. It traded at 10 for so long before we saw the rip. That, I think, I prefer. If it trades sideways or higher lows in this case, and then it rips, than just having a rip up really fast out of nowhere. It's going to be followed by a nasty crash. You want this to trade and find support levels, and that's exactly what we're seeing here, guys. That's exactly what we're seeing here. There's some strong support at 50. We had a pretty good week at 59. I know we retested the 65, 64 level, which is kind of weird because that's the second, third time it gets rejected there. It almost looks like GameStop when it hit 330, 340, and they dropped it immediately. That's like the second or third time that happens with GameStop, by the way. So it makes me think, what happens when it starts to crack above 60, 65, 64? I think that I don't want to say this is the level it's going to squeeze. Above 65 and it's game over. Anything can happen. Like today, quad witching, the gamma squeeze, it was a little bit overhyped, in my opinion. The best way to get disappointed, I say this a million times, but guys, especially new traders, the best way to get disappointed is to have expectations. Don't expect anything. Just go day by day, understand the candles, understand the support levels, and everything's going to be all right. So this stock is going to be relevant. It still is. The volume is there, guys. Again, this stock was battling 801 not so long ago, and now it's like going for 660 and 1. So just put that into perspective. A lot of you guys, by the way, are making money on this. Like 5% of the people watching this video are actually losing money on AMC. The rest, you guys are sitting on some pretty good money, you know. Like I said, I want everybody to win. Everybody watching, I want all of you guys to win. I want everybody to win. At the end of the day, we're all going to be happy and we're all going to win. So be safe, stay healthy, enjoy the weekend, guys. Relax. I know this is stressful. This is literally like a war, a psychological war. It is stressful. I'm tired. I'm exhausted mentally myself, not just on AMC, but just in the overall market. Guys, everything's taking a hit. I had calls on VIX, and I actually made money on these. We've been talking about the VIX calls. It kind of took a while to play out because the Fed, the FOMC meeting caused the stock market to rally, in which it makes sense. No interest rate hikes, no tapering. This is for a whole different conversation. I feel like I'm getting out of topic, so we're going to end the video here. But the VIX is shooting up. It's very stressful watching the market tank, but AMC is holding up better than any other stock out there. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, find any value, make sure you slap a like, subscribe if you're new. We go live every single day at market open, Monday through Friday, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Peace out.